Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to simplify your kitchen experience and elevate your cooking game. We're talking about the KASANOVA New Petra Dark 7-piece non-stick cookware set. If you're in the market for a versatile, durable, and easy-to-maintain collection of pots and pans, you'll want to stick around. Let's start with the core of any non-stick cookware, the coating. KASANOVA touts a premium quality non-stick coating, designed for easy food release with minimal oil. This is fantastic news for health-conscious cooks and for anyone who's tired of food stubbornly clinging to their pans. The claim is that you can say goodbye to sticking, and based on my testing, it lives up to that promise remarkably well. From delicate fish to sticky sauces, everything slid out with an impressive ease. And following closely on the heels of that non-stick performance is the ease of cleaning. This set truly is a breeze to clean. Forget scrubbing for ages. A quick wipe with a sponge or cloth is all it takes for these pots and pans to come clean in seconds. This alone is a massive win for busy individuals and families who want to spend less time on chores and more time enjoying their meals. One of the standout features here is the oven-safe capability. This is a game-changer for many recipes. You can seamlessly transition your cookware from the stovetop directly into the oven, thanks to the silicone-coated steel handles. These handles are heat-resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for versatile cooking techniques and a wider range of dishes. This means you can start a dish on the stove, finish it in the oven, all without needing to transfer to another baking dish, saving you time and extra washing. Now, let's talk about what you actually get in this 7-piece set. It's designed to help you master every meal. You receive a generous 10.23-inch frypan, perfect for searing, sautéing, or cooking larger portions. There's also a 6.29-inch saucepan with its matching lid, ideal for sauces, boiling eggs, or smaller batches. The set includes a 3.48-quart shallow pot with a substantial 9.44-inch lid, great for stews, braises, or simmering. And for those grill-ready meals even indoors, there's a 9.44-inch by 9.44-inch grill pan. To top it all off, a handy kitchen turner is included, so you have a tool ready to go right out of the box. The construction of this set is another point worth highlighting. The sturdy aluminum body ensures even heat transfer. This means your food cooks uniformly across the entire surface of the pan, eliminating those frustrating hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked or burnt food. This fast and precise cooking capability really does make a difference in the kitchen. And for modern kitchens, especially those with induction cooktops, the Induction Ready feature is crucial. This set boasts a full induction base, providing remarkable performance across all cooktops, including induction. Whether you have gas, electric, or induction, this cookware is designed to work efficiently and effectively, making it a versatile choice for almost any home. So, what are the pros and cons of the KASANOVA New Petra Dark 7-piece cookware set? On the positive side, the non-stick coating is excellent, making cooking and cleanup incredibly easy. The oven-safe feature adds significant versatility to your cooking. The set includes a good range of useful pieces for everyday cooking. The even heat distribution is a significant advantage for consistent results. And its compatibility with all cooktops, especially induction, makes it a smart investment. On the downside, while the handles are heat-resistant, it's always wise to use oven mitts when removing the cookware from a hot oven, as the silicone coating has its limits. Also, like all non-stick cookware, while durable, it's best to avoid metal utensils that could potentially scratch the surface over time. A gentle hand and appropriate tools will ensure the longevity of this set. In conclusion, the KASANOVA New Petra Dark 7-piece non-stick cookware set is a fantastic option for anyone looking for reliable, easy-to-use, and versatile cookware. It delivers on its promises of superior non-stick performance, effortless cleaning, and broad compatibility. It's a well-rounded set that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, from simple weeknight dinners to more elaborate oven-baked dishes. Link in the description.